Hey Geek, so I've had the Panasonic S5 IIX full frame camera for a little over 3 months now. And for me, this is the best camera that I've ever used. And prior to this, I had the Sony A7 IV full frame camera, which was at the time the best camera that I ever used. And prior to that, I had a Panasonic G85 Micro Four Thirds camera, which I still have up there above my monitor. And I've had like a lot of smartphones that I used as my main camera before that for many years. And then my very first camera that I used to create videos was the Sony CyberShot camera. It could shoot up to 720p. So this is definitely light years ahead of where I started. And now I'm shooting this with another camera. And no, it is not a Sony or a Panasonic, but it's actually the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I am definitely loving using this new camera here, but this one is still the best that I've ever used. In terms of shooting videos, I kind of feel that this is gonna offer you everything that you would need in terms of really great, reliable autofocus, which was the main weakness of Panasonic cameras prior to the S5 II, S5 IIX, G9 II, G8-7, S9, and whatever future cameras Panasonic offers in the future, because now they use their new hybrid face detect contrast-based system, and this is something that all Panasonic owners have been asking for years, and they finally did offer that. So that's the first thing. And then the second thing is the amazing stabilization on Panasonic. Out of all the large brands, I would say Panasonic offers the best stabilization to this point, and that is very important, especially for people like myself who loves to do outdoors, vlogging videos, or travel videos. That's really, really important to me. And then the other things that Panasonic offers is a crazy amount of features, especially when it comes to video features. That's what Panasonic cameras are known for. And let me tell you, this camera delivers on that. There's so many features here that honestly, I'll probably never use most of these. And that's a good thing, because that means that this is a camera that I could grow with. And also the value. For the price that you're paying for the S5 IIX and just Panasonic cameras in general, if you compare it against other brands in the same price range, they offer you the most value for your money. And then finally, this is something that I don't think a lot of people think about, is that, well, it's really fun to shoot with these cameras because you don't have to think about all those other things. Just point, shoot, but obviously it's gonna give you a lot better quality versus just a normal point and shoot camera or versus your phone. And so those are my thoughts on the Panasonic S5 IIX. Absolutely amazing camera. And if you are looking for your very first real camera and it's within your budget, then I highly recommend that you look to the Panasonic S5 II, S5 IIX, and even the G9 II, and for some people, maybe even the S9, but I kind of feel the S5 II, S5 IIX is probably gonna give you everything you need with a full frame sensor. So if you did have any thoughts on this or any other cameras you enjoy, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get these cameras, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's gonna take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.